This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Assistive Access not working on iPhone. So if you're in Assistive Access but no apps or your Assistive Access not working properly, follow these easy steps to fix this issue. The first solution is exit from Assistive Access. To exit, triple tap on this power button 1, 2, 3 and tap on exit Assistive Access. Enter here your Assistive Access passcode. Once you exit, now you can restart your iPhone and then start Assistive Access again, and hope this solution will fix Assistive Access not working issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.